Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows operating system. So first, open Google Chrome browser, download. Now it will redirect towards this link, that is a Net Academy. Just click on this link. So what is the Cisco Packet Tracer? It is nothing but the networking simulator tool, and here you can create simulated environment and you can send the packets towards the simulated devices. Now see, it is showing the courses. So just click on view course. Now see, here it will redirect towards the website skills for all. So just click on this skills for all. Now see, here you have to select the language as English. By default it is given as English, and here you have to log in. So just click on login page. If you are new user, you have to sign up the page, else you can log in if you have account. So otherwise you have option, you can continue with Google. So I will continue with Google, accept the terms and condition and continue. Here you have to provide the details. So provide the details, provide the age, select the month and continue. Just continue with this page. Now here it is showing the terms and conditions. So we have to accept the terms and conditions. So accept it and continue. Now see here, click on browse catalog. It is showing different courses available. So our is for networking. We search the Cisco Packet Tracer. So it's showing here Cisco Packet Tracer. Now click here, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see, it is showing the steps, download and use the Cisco Packet Tracer. So select the first option, install Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see, in this they have given option, download Cisco Packet Tracer. Just click on get started. It is showing the step installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. Just click on this. Now see, for download they have given three options, Packet Tracer for Mac OS, Ubuntu and Windows. So my operating system is Windows 64-bit. So I will select the third option, that is Packet Tracer Windows 64-bit. Just click on this. Now see, downloading is started here. See friends, download is completed here. So open the folder. Now see, it is showing that .exe file is downloaded here. So just right click on it and click run as administrator. Again it is showing message, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes button. It is showing license and agreement. So just click first option, I accept the agreement. Just click on next button. Again it is showing the path where you want to install Cisco Packet Tracer. So in C drive program file it is showing the path. You can change the path also, but I will keep it as it is. So just click on next button. Again it is asking about the folder where your programs will get saved, where your work will get saved. So just click on next. I want the same folder. Okay. Again, create desktop shortcut and create quick launch shortcut. I want both. So just click on next and click on install button. Click on finish button. Again, it is showing message, would you like to run multi-user when application starts? Click on yes button. And it is showing, do you want to allow public and private network access to this app? Just click on allow button. Again, we are using Cisco Packet Tracer for skills for all website. So just click on this. Now see, it is showing message, you have successfully logged into the Cisco Packet Tracer. You can close this tab. So just I will minimize this. And now see, here is a window where you can do your work, simulation work, and you can create the simulated devices and send packet to different devices. Friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching my video.